In this video, you will see how to add a line under text in Word document like this. So if you want to add a line under the title or into the header, what you have to do is click on the line you want line to appear. Then you will see here the option border and shading. Click on the drop down and then go to border and shading. Then here under the border, select the option of your choice. You will see here many options like this is a solid line and these are dotted lines and so on. You can explore the lines here, double line, triple line. So I will select here a solid line and this is the color. If you want to change the color from black to any other color, you can select the color, for example red color, and you will see the preview here. You can also change the thickness of the line, for example 3 points, and you can see that this is a box, not the underline. So we will just remove the upper left and right line and then just click on OK. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen related to Microsoft Word. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.